Every day throughout the state, there are many trials going on. There are many people showing up in city courts and superior courts, and the court system depends on judges having authority. So one of the things that they've got is the statute for judicial interference, and it gives the court power to impose their will upon people. And so if you're picked to sit on a jury and you decide not to show up one day, well, clearly the court has some type of recourse. They've got an ability to charge the person, the juror, say, look, you needed to be in court. The whole system comes to a crashing halt if jurors don't show up. Judicial interference, though, is very rarely used in those instances. In over 20 years of practice, I haven't seen a juror get in trouble or charged criminally for anything. It certainly has happened, but I haven't seen it. What I do see is I see the section of judicial interference used where it's disobeying an order of the court. And so there are people that they show up to court, City of Phoenix, and the judge will say, well, this is what you need to do, or they plead guilty and this is what you have to do, and they violate that order. That gives the judge the ability for them to be charged with another crime. The prosecutor gets involved and charges them with judicial interference. You see it happen in domestic violence cases where there is contact with a victim that shouldn't happen. So a judge orders a defendant, say you can't have contact with this person. Orders of protection, for example, could exclude contact, to say you can't have contact with this person, and if you do, then you can be charged with judicial interference. These are the types of offenses where you have to be very careful, because obviously the judge will take it somewhat personally if you don't follow the court's orders. And so you're appearing in front of that court, and the judge has effectively been part of the process of you being charged with another crime. So when you go to court, especially for the misdemeanor side, many times people, they are unrepresented, they're not facing jail time originally, and they try to get through the process themselves without really fully understanding what it is the court wants them to do. And then they send a text message or they do something, next thing you know, they're charged with judicial interference. If you find yourself in a situation, don't despair. There are lots of options and there are lots of things that can be done. My advice is to call us before you have to go to court. We offer a free consultation and we can walk through the process and we can talk to you about what your options are. We will obviously know more about the court and the judge and how the judge typically handles these types of cases. That information can be very valuable for you. If you do have to go to court on this type of offense, obviously we strongly urge you to show up on time, dress conservatively, be respectful to the court, because again, the court is kind of a player in this case, and the court will want to see, obviously, if you're taking this matter seriously. Any judicial interference case, we're here to help throughout the state of Arizona. My name is attorney Nick Alcock, and we've got over 20 years of experience here at the firm handling these types of cases. I've got an experienced group of former prosecutors that used to prosecute these types of cases, so we really know what to look for. 602-989-5000 is the number. That's 602-989-5000. My name is attorney Nick Alcock again. Look forward to speaking to you. Thanks so much.